DYHAIR777. As you can see, it looks so good. This closure bleached really well. This is the hair that I received. I received a closure in 3 bundles. The closure is a 14-inch as well as a 16, 18, and 20-inch bundles. The hair came beautifully packaged. As you can see, I have already reviewed this hair. So if you would like to, click the video above, or I'll put it down in the description box so you can see my actual review on this hair and how I styled it. The products that you'll need to bleach this closure will be your 30 developer, some shimmer light shampoo, as well as neutralizing shampoo. And you'll need some BW2 powder, as well as a mixing bowl and brush, as well as some gloves, because you don't want to get any bleach on your finger. Alright, so you want to start by pouring your bleach inside of your mixing bowl. You want to get it as much in there as you think you will possibly need for your closure. I did about half of this small bag. Then you want to take your 30 developer. Now with this mixture, you want to make sure it's as thick as possible. Not too thick, but not too runny. You want to get it to where it's not going to run straight through your actual lace. So you want to get it so that it can lay right on top of your lace, because you want to prevent it from being too runny, because you don't want it to run through your lace while it's processing. Once you got the correct mixture, you're just going to take your closure. You want to make sure when you put your closure down on the aluminum floor to start processing, you want to make sure that you move all of the hair out of the way. So what I did was I just took like some foam with some water in it and kind of brushed the hair out of the way, so I can make sure that I'm not bleaching any of the hair. The only thing I want to bleach is the actual knots, not the hair. So the most important step with bleaching your knots on anything is to make sure you're not actually patting the product into the lace. You're kind of just laying it on top. So it's kind of like how you lay butter on top of bread with a butter knife. That's basically what you're doing. You're just smoothing it over the top of the surface. Do not pat it in. I promise you, you will make that mistake like I did plenty of other times. It'll seep through your actual lace and get on the hair. That's something you want to avoid. So now I'm just speeding it up.
What's going on here? What's going on right now? What is the problem? Tell me your problem. What's in the line, girl? Can't be my.
Once that's done, I'm just going to flip it over for it to process on the aluminum foil. I let it process for 15 minutes. Now I'm just going to rinse it off. After I rinse it off, I start off with my neutralizing shampoo. I get all of the bleach out with the neutralizing shampoo. Then I go in with the shimmer light shampoo. Now the shimmer light shampoo is what's going to help with the actual brassiness, the orange that you usually get when you bleach something. I'm going to let the shimmer light shampoo sit on it for about 15 minutes, and this is the closure. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.
You can tell me anything you want, I'll forget about it. Tell me what you want, anything, I'll do best without it.